So testing the demon at 51 or 15-minute RTH chart, clearly showing the problem for the shorts to get through. And every time we get a pullback but a higher low, it just keeps the pressure on the traders that want to get out. And they say, okay, I'll get out, I'll average in one more time. And that's why that does not work. Got 4 o'clock hitting the 52s. Sorry I didn't get you that 54.5 target, but kept you on the right side of the trade today for the most part. And truth be told, you could play either way in a day like today. We just believe that buying the pullbacks was probably a better way to play. And at the open, certainly the half gap trade is the correct trade technically, the convenient trade. But the evidence has clearly pointed to a squeeze type trade. And when you get a double top, one thing you want to do is move all your stops up because you're out of time and price. And like I said earlier, no new trades recommended. If you're in a trade, great. If not, manage it. If not, would not recommend trades. And this is why traders, you see the tails, you could see that the short just could not get out and could possibly get what we call an HOC, new high on close. Thank you, Wee. And a reminder, gamblers only typically in this last half hour or so. And if you have profits that you want to let run, that's up to you, depending on the size of your account and what you're trying to accomplish. But generally speaking, the end of the day, the last half hours, you don't want to ruin a good day, good week by being too aggressive. And anybody who's shorting, again, same premise. Don't ruin your weekend. It's a profit-taking swing by the afternoon longs. That's all it is. Believe it or not, I've seen some crazy trades in the last 15 minutes. There are times I've seen 10, 12, 15-point trades. I've seen 30-point trades to the upside after 3:30. And this was years ago when the market was half of this. So the boys can kind of push it any way they want. Did not pay attention to a lot of news today. Things like, government shutdown. I think Zeke said kicked the decision kicked the next week. I forgot. But, with no intention to pay off the debt ever, who cares? You can just keep increasing the debt limitations. Anybody who's short, make sure you get paid, and paid for sure by this blue line at 49.25, 49.5. Right? That was our original break. We took it out. We've come back up, squeezed through in the last 10 minutes or so. And so everybody that shorted thought they had the killer trade, gave it all back. And this is how, when you see evidence that it cannot make that fast move. Remember when I said the shorts either got to make a fast move here or it's not going to happen. Here's your semi-fast move, and I said you got to take out 46. Never did. Never did take out 46. See, that would be evidence to me that that's the direction they wanted to go. Never got it. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much, BC. And thank you. We appreciate you hanging out. Been one of the better courses that I've run in terms of participation from you guys, and that really helps to make the class go because you asked a lot of good questions. I remember some of you said, "Oh, I don't want to be a pest," but you know what? That keeps the class interesting, and that's why I try to answer private questions publicly, and protect your identity or whatever, but so everybody can benefit. So thanks for participating. All right, going to sign off. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Catch you in the Slack room. Those of you want to come back next week and play around in there. That course, of course, that venue is free. You're welcome to come in there in the general room, and we'll share some ideas. Even if I'm not around, Zeke may be there or other traders to share ideas with. Have a great weekend. Happy holidays. You got it.